Sexuality is a vast, complex world, and within it lies the realm of the taboo, the forbidden, the secretive, the unspoken desires that many dare not discuss. But what exactly is taboo sex? Why are certain acts considered off-limits? And what drives us to explore these forbidden fantasies? Today, we dive deep into the heart of taboo sex, unraveling the mysteries, the allure, and the dangers that come with it. Whether you're curious, intrigued, or just looking to understand this aspect of human sexuality better, stay with us as we explore everything about taboo sex. What you learn might just change the way you see desire. Section 1. What is taboo sex? Taboo sex refers to sexual acts or desires that are deemed inappropriate, unacceptable, or forbidden by societal, cultural, or religious standards. These taboos vary widely across different cultures and eras, but they all share one common trait: they challenge the status quo. Subsection. Historical perspective on taboos. Throughout history, what is considered taboo has evolved. In some cultures, acts that are commonplace today were once seen as scandalous. Conversely, some practices that were once accepted are now considered off-limits. Understanding this historical context helps us see how taboos are shaped and why they persist. Subsection. Common examples of taboo sex. Common examples of taboo sex include incest, sexual relations between close family members; bestiality, sexual contact between humans and animals; necrophilia, sexual attraction to corpses; pedophilia, sexual attraction to children; fetishes involving bodily functions, such as scat or urine fetishes; extreme BDSM practices that cross the line into non-consensual or dangerous behavior. Section 2. Why do taboos exist? But why do these taboos exist in the first place? Taboos serve as boundaries, protecting societal norms, ethical standards, and moral values. They help maintain order by setting limits on acceptable behavior. However, the very existence of these boundaries can make the forbidden all the more tempting. Subsection. The psychology behind taboo desires. Psychologically, taboo desires often stem from a mix of curiosity, rebellion, and the thrill of the forbidden. For some, engaging in taboo acts provides a rush, a sense of doing something naughty or breaking the rules. It's a form of escapism, a way to explore the darker corners of one's sexuality. Section 3. The allure of taboo sex. Despite, or perhaps because of, their forbidden nature, taboo sexual acts often hold a powerful allure. The thrill of doing something wrong or forbidden can heighten sexual arousal, making the experience more intense and satisfying. Subsection. The forbidden fruit effect. This is often referred to as the forbidden fruit effect, the idea that when something is off-limits, it becomes even more desirable. This psychological phenomenon is a key reason why many are drawn to explore taboo sexual fantasies. Subsection. Power dynamics and control. Many taboo fantasies involve power dynamics, dominance, submission, control, and surrender. These fantasies allow individuals to explore different roles, often ones that they wouldn't take on in their everyday lives. For some, this is about experiencing vulnerability in a controlled environment, while for others, it's about wielding power. Subsection. The role of fantasy in taboo desires. Fantasies provide a safe space to explore taboo desires without the consequences of reality. They allow individuals to step outside societal norms and indulge in their deepest, darkest desires, all within the confines of their mind. Section 4. Risks and consequences of engaging in taboo sex. While the allure of taboo sex can be powerful, it's important to recognize the risks and consequences that come with crossing these boundaries. Subsection. Legal and ethical implications. Many taboo acts, such as incest, bestiality, and pedophilia, are illegal in most countries. Engaging in these activities can lead to severe legal repercussions, including imprisonment and being labeled a sex offender. Beyond the legal aspect, there are also ethical concerns. These acts often involve exploitation, harm, or a breach of consent, making them morally unacceptable. Subsection. Emotional and psychological impact. Engaging in taboo sexual acts can have significant emotional and psychological consequences. Guilt, shame, and self-loathing are common feelings that can arise after indulging in a forbidden desire. These emotions can lead to long-term mental health issues, including depression and anxiety. Subsection: the importance of consent and boundaries. Consent is crucial in any sexual encounter, but it becomes even more important when exploring taboo desires. It's essential to communicate openly with your partner, set clear boundaries, and ensure that all activities are fully consensual. Without this, the risks of harm and exploitation increase significantly. Section 5. Navigating taboo desires safely. For those who find themselves drawn to taboo desires, it's important to navigate these feelings safely and responsibly. Here's how you can explore these fantasies without crossing dangerous lines. The first step is open communication. Talk to your partner about your desires, fears, and boundaries. Be honest about what you want to explore, but also be respectful of your partner's comfort level and limits. Subsection: setting boundaries and safe words. Before engaging in any taboo fantasy, it's essential to set clear boundaries. Establishing safe words allows either partner to pause or stop the activity if things become too intense or uncomfortable. This helps ensure that both partners feel safe and respected throughout the experience. Subsection: seeking professional help when needed. If your taboo desires are causing distress or impacting your life negatively, seeking professional help can be beneficial. Therapists and counselors can help you explore these feelings in a safe, non-judgmental space, providing guidance on how to manage them healthily. Taboo sex is a complex and often misunderstood aspect of human sexuality. While the allure of the forbidden can be strong, it's important to navigate these desires with care, respect, and awareness of the potential risks involved. Understanding the psychology behind taboo fantasies and the cultural context in which they exist can help us approach these topics with a more informed perspective. In the end, sexual desire is a deeply personal experience, shaped by countless factors. What might be taboo for one person could be perfectly normal for another. The key is to explore these desires with an open mind, a willing partner, and a clear understanding of consent and boundaries. Remember, the most important aspect of any sexual experience is ensuring that it is safe, consensual, and enjoyable for all involved. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of taboo sex. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that dives deep into the mysteries of human sexuality. And remember, understanding your desires is the first step to embracing them in a healthy and fulfilling way.